Alright guys, welcome back to Resville channel. Today we're opening up 8 Dollar Tree Unbroken Bonds and 6 regular Unbroken Bond packs that I got from a card shop at Everett Mall. So we'll see what my odds are. Will we do the trick for this? I don't know. We'll get straight to the point. Alright. Oh shit. Alright, yeah, so we got Bellsprout, Salazzle as the rare, and Wilder. So that's not bad actually. Put that right there, don't mind my mess. Oh man, so yeah. Dang, I gotta show you, I forgot I was gonna it's really quick with the intro. I'm smoke, didn't think about it. But yeah, this is gonna be part of my Unbroken Bond set. I'm trying to finish my master set, and well, I've been working on Merc, not really working, just having Lay do pour epoxy, having trays. I'll quick stop after this. Ooh, we got a reverse hollow drowsy. I needed that warp turtle, so not bad. So my master set is coming along, working on a few things. Just got done with my $300 bulk idea, well, not idea, but my bulk collection. Squirtle, Rhyhorn, and Energy. And then yeah, so trying to figure out the right mole AB ratio with the epoxy. Gonna get that going. Ooh, Togetic, I needed that. And Energy Spin, not bad. I bought these a while ago and finally opened these. Like, shoot, people were selling these for $3. Ooh, Jigglypuff and nothing. I got no water, so bear with me. We'll do this quick. Let's see, not a Mysterious. We got another rare, so that's good. Last pack. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so we got Porygon right out the bat. Ooh, we got Froakie, Energy. Oh, put the Froakie up there. Not bad. Hold up. Oh, found water. Alright. So yeah man, so next couple videos, well, I got everything planned out, working on a bunch of things, and oh, nada. So I'm trying to get things going, just work, new scheduling, and yeah, so check it out. Real quick stop, mid video, making rolling tray. You might see these at Who's On First. Yeah, I don't know how much yet, so probably just trying to get these for a couple packs, so I can get free cards. Use my commons. This is all from Hidden Fate. Check it out. But yeah, that was quick. So eventually, once I get my A&B ratio mix, we'll have a lot more cool knickknacks coming around. Oh, not a code card. Shit, I don't even know if I give the other code card out. Boom, boom. Yeah, so working on it, getting things going. Persian and Gengar. So eventually, making use with my bulks, with whatever. Gonna make coasters next. So yeah, there's any way to get free Pokemon cards. Boom, maybe. I feel like we pulled the same combo but different. Oh, here we go. Man, all buns. Feel like where I got these card packs, they weighed them out. I'm just kidding. It's probably, these were the last packs of their their Unbroken Bond booster box. Got these like a while ago while they were still cheap, so can't really complain. But dead after dead, duds, a Dudley box. Alright, Carvana and Wigglytuff. Last pack magic. And here we go. Oh, we might get something. Alright, I lied, guys. Alright, with a little positive attitude, you never know what can happen. Alright. So we got Energy, Jenning, Ratatat, Triple Energy Accelerator, Carvana, Togepi, Esper, Squirtle, Rhyhorn, Golbat, and Volcarona holographic. Well, I needed that anyways. So thank you. Tune in next video. I'm probably gonna be doing, move the camera up real quick, adjust it. Oops, wrong way. Gonna be doing the tag team motherfucker Umbreon and Darkrai box, and then it's actually the Espeon one version of it because it got the big card. Then after that I got Ultra Prism and hold up, my bad, and Burning Shadow. Next couple of openings gonna be up, then we'll tune in next. Alright guys, thank you, and like, subscribe, and don't forget to watch the videos, share it. Thank you. Real quick, this is my master set for Unbroken Bonds. Didn't get a good Ultra Pro binder for it, but we'll get another one soon when I get my first and second master set done. So this is all I put. I haven't really organized too much into it yet, but I'll update it in a second. But yeah, this is all what I've had and pulled so far. What I'm missing, what I need. So yeah, so I definitely got a lot of cards missing. Yep. Welder. Skip a few pages, and I think that's it. Alright, thank you, like, subscribe. See ya.